Welcome to this lesson on Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to learn about evaluating polynomials using the substitution method. This is a fundamental skill that you will use constantly in algebra, physics, and beyond. Let's get started. First, we need to understand what the word evaluate means in math. Simply put, to evaluate an algebraic expression means to find its numerical value. In algebra, we work with variables like x or y to evaluate. We replace those variables with specific numbers. You can think of a variable as a placeholder or a box waiting to be filled with a number. Before we solve any problems, there is one golden rule you must remember. Whenever you replace a variable with a number, always put that number inside parentheses. This might seem like a small detail, but it is the secret to avoiding calculation errors, especially when dealing with negative numbers. The process involves 3 simple steps. Step 1, identify the variable and the value you are given. Step 2, substitute that value into the expression using parentheses. And step 3, calculate the result using the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. Remember, you must handle parentheses and exponents before you do any addition or subtraction. Let's look at a basic example. We need to evaluate 3x plus 4 when x equals 5. First, we write the expression. Next, we replace the x with 5 inside parentheses. Now we have 3 times 5 plus 4. According to the order of operations, we multiply first. 3 times 5 is 15. Finally, we add 4 to get our answer, 19. Now let's try one with an exponent. We need to evaluate x squared minus 5 when x equals 4. We substitute 4 into the parentheses where x was. Now we calculate 4 squared, which means 4 times 4. That gives us 16. Finally, 16 minus 5 equals 11. Here is where many students make mistakes: negative numbers. Suppose we want to evaluate x squared when x equals negative 3. The correct way is to put negative 3 inside parentheses. This means negative 3 times negative 3, which gives positive 9. If you forget the parentheses, you might incorrectly calculate it as negative 9. Always use parentheses. Let's try a harder problem. Evaluate 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 when x equals negative 2. First, substitute negative 2 into every spot where x appears. Now, follow the order of operations. Exponents come first. Negative 2 squared is positive 4. Now multiply. 2 times 4 is 8, and negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Finally, add 8 plus 6 plus 5 to get 19. You can also evaluate expressions with more than one variable. For example, 4x plus 2y, where x is 3 and y is negative 5. Simply substitute both values into their respective spots. We get 4 times 3 plus 2 times negative 5. This becomes 12 plus negative 10. Adding these together gives us a final answer of 2. To wrap up, remember these key points. Identify your values clearly. Always substitute using parentheses to keep your signs correct. Be very careful with negative numbers and exponents. And finally, take your time and follow the order of operations. With practice, you will be evaluating polynomials like a pro.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.